Hey guys, Gary back with another review for you today. This is a stapler that I just received a few days ago because I broke the one that I've had for years. So it was time for a new one. So I'm just going to do an unboxing of this new stapler for you really quick. See what comes in here. Okay. Well, it looks like we've got a little supply of staples there. Okay. And we've got a staple remover. And let's see what else we've got. We've got some more staples here. How about that? Okay, now let's see if we can get the stapler out of here. Okay. All right, and this is the stapler itself. Okay, looks like we've got an instruction manual there. Okay, and this stapler, I stapled quite a few documents at one time. I wanted a larger stapler that could handle that. So this one should be able to handle 40 sheets, staple 40 sheets at a time. So I'm gonna give this a try and see how it does. Well, I mean, it feels pretty sturdy. So yeah, I'll be back and let you guys know how it performs. Make it a great day.